and you clean it just like that. So this blade comes out. I don't want to take it out, but close it right there. This comes on top. Done. So again, that part comes out. This comes out. Your blade comes out, and you wash it. So really easy. Put it back in. There it goes. Your blade, cover, and you're back in business. So it easily slides open to access the blade. Use it to cut your pizza, and then it closes. So we like it. My 6-year-old son can use it very easily. It cuts pizzas really well, and it fits nicely in your hand.
I'm just showing you this cool new Cuisinart bread maker I got. I've never used a bread maker before, but I do love bread, so I was really excited about it. It's great too because basically you just get your ingredients in there and then you don't have to do any of the work. The machine does it all for you. You can make white bread, French bread, whole wheat. You have an ultra fast setting, sweet. If you're doing gluten-free dough, that works in here too. Artisan, you can even make jam, cake, packaged mixed cake. And what's really cool too is when you open it up, this little guy just slides out once your bread is done, and it has a little spike in it that will keep your bread safely in here, and then you just pull it right out. And I'm just really excited about it. It only takes a couple hours to use, and you have fresh home-baked bread.
Imagine a dessert that you could enjoy in seconds that tastes just like soft serve ice cream, but it was so healthy for you, you could even have it for breakfast. With Yonanas, you can. Just peel and freeze overripe cheetah-spotted bananas, or use your favorite frozen fruit to create healthy treats you swear is ice cream, but is made only from fruit. Simply snap and lock in place. Turn the machine on, feed frozen fruit through the chute. Alternate pieces of fruit to make that perfect blend of your favorite Yonanas. Everyone in your family can have their own custom-made Yonanas flavor. If you love strawberries, mango, peaches, or chocolate, simply feed them into the Yonanas maker to create your personal favorite. Yonanas are delicious with or without bananas. Unlike a blender or food processor with a single blade that shreds frozen fruit, Yonanas technology grinds and emulsifies 100% frozen fruit to create a treat that looks, tastes, and feels like soft serve ice cream in seconds. Easy, delicious, and dairy-free. Yonanas recipes are endless. Pies, popsicles, bonbons, tiramisu, 100% fruit, or add some chocolate. You're only limited by your imagination. And cleanup is fast and easy too because Yonanas is dishwasher safe. Wow, 100% frozen fruit. Indulge in dessert anytime and never feel guilty with Yonanas.